Good morning, everyone. So here's a quick market update. Firstly, yes, the August 1 deadline is approaching, and before that, fresh commentary coming in from President Donald Trump, where he's actually saying that he's looking forward and thinking about a 15 to 20% tariff for the other nations, especially for the ones for now wherein the tariff hasn't been announced. And yes, of course, that's higher than the 10% baseline tariff, but for India, seems like that from 26% levels, that's something of a respite that we may be looking forward to. But yes, India and US deal is also awaiting in the fine prints about there. But along with that, what about the US markets? Just yesterday, we have seen quite a decent move for the US markets because Nasdaq didn't itch higher by almost 0.3%, while S&P 500 ended absolutely flat, while a bit of a decline coming in on Dow Jones. But in terms of the movers, it was Tesla that actually jumped almost 3% in trade yesterday. Other than that, the real estate counters were seen to be lagging behind, but it was the tech, energy and the industrial sectors that were leading the gains. But along with that, the European markets, a bit of a decline across the indices that we have seen, because it was FTSE, DAX, CAC, all declined. The automotive stocks, or rather the auto stocks, were a bit under pressure, but companies within the select pharma names, because for now, the deal between EU and the US, there has been no specific tariff on pharma. Select pharma counters were actually doing well. So that's about the markets. But along with that, with respect to the dollar index, a bit of a jump up is what we have seen to that 98.4 odd mark. Gold is trading absolutely flat, and so is the Brent crude. And as of now, GIFT Nifty is indicating a bit of a decline with 38 points of cut for the Indian markets.